You're watching Blowout TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
For the most part, having a couple in the same workplace is not entertained in a corporate setting, but hey, that's why the entertainment industry is not the same as the standard. Some Nollywood stars have been in a position to keep it together with others and are gladly married, while even now enjoying their human relationships and the glitz and humor that is included with working collectively in the same industry. See 5 Nollywood couples who each their colleagues are dedicated to their conjugal pledges and have been able to help keep a good home. Mide Martins and Hafiz Abiodun. Nollywood actress and daughter of late Funmi Martins, Mide Martins is married to her sweetheart Hafiz Abiodun Owo, who is also an actor. The duo has been married for more than 11 years and they are glad parents of 2 adorable girls. Funke Akindele and Abdulrasheed Bello. Popular actress Funke Akindele Bello got married to Nigerian rapper and songwriter Abdulrasheed Bello, also known as DJ Skills, in 2016. The couple is blessed with twin boys and can be viewed as one of the most celebrated couples in the country. Toyin Abraham and Kolawole Adeyemi. Popular actress Toyin Abraham got engaged to fellow actor Kolawole Adeyemi, who is also the father of her baby boy, on the 4th of April 2019. Since then, the duo have been serving us couple goals. Razak Olayiwola and Moji Afolayan. Yoruba star actress and one of the daughters of late Ade Afolayan, Adelove, Moji Afolayan Olayiwola, have been married to fellow actor, film producer and director Razak Olayiwola, also known as Ojokpa Gogo, for about 15 years now. The couple met at a walk more than 10 years back and since then been married. Sunday Omobolanle and Peju Ogunmola. Renowned comic actor Sunday Omobolanle, otherwise known as Papiluwe, and his wife actress Peju Ogunmola has been together for more than 3 decades, and as yet checking, Papiluwe used to work with Peju Ogumola's father, Pa Ogunmola, whenever they traveled all over the federation for stage play and were returning to Lagos. They always taught at Pa Ogumola's house, as educated by Papiluwe. He met Peju in her dad's house.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. Thanks.